Mr. Taylor here with your e-learning lesson for April the 27th. We're going to be on My ICEV today, so make sure you get logged into that website. And we're going to be shifting our discussion to our final topic of this year, and that's going to be precision agriculture. Um, Under ideal circumstances, we would be in school and get to do some cool things with our ag department drone. But unfortunately, that's not going to be the case this year, so we will try to make the best of it that we can. So, what we're going to be discussing is, first of all, what precision agriculture is, and then beyond that, um, the role that precision agriculture might play in the future. So, today we're going to start by talking about drones and the role of drones in agriculture, and that's what your e-learning assignment is going to focus on today. So once you're logged into My ICEV, you're going to go down and you're going to view the Ag Power Structure and Technology course. You are then going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and all the way at the bottom there's an assignment called Hot Topics Drones in Agriculture. So you're going to click that, and once you click that, it's going to pull up this lesson. There's a 13-minute video up here, and then down here you have two interactive activities, a Hot Topics Drones in Agriculture vocabulary assignment and a Hot Topics Drones in Agriculture worksheet. You're going to click on the worksheet. And then once you have that pulled up, there are 11 questions, all of which are addressed in the video on the assignment. So that's what you're going to complete for your e-learning today. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me via email, and I will get those answered for you as quickly as possible. Otherwise, thank you and have a great day.